Most people get onto an exercise routine in order to lose weight or because their doctors have told them to help treat diabetes, hypertension or any of the other metabolic syndrome disorders which respond very well to exercise. However, if you talk to anybody who's been exercising for a period of time, they will tell you that they do so not just for the physical health benefits, but for the emotional and the mental health benefits, the feeling of well-being they get when they exercise. And that is what I'm going to be talking to you about, the emotional and the mental health benefits of exercising regularly. When you exercise, you produce a lot of endorphins, which is a hormone which results in you feeling good about yourself. Endorphin is responsible for the feeling of well-being, a feeling of happiness, feeling of positivity that you experience when you exercise. And that feeling is the reason why a lot of people exercise every day. And it is not just the endorphin which is responsible for your good mental health. Exercise is a treatment for a lot of mental health conditions like depression. Exercise is as good a treatment for mild to moderate depression as antidepressive medication is. Exercise works by not just producing endorphins, but by rewriting neural pathways and reducing in brain tissue inflammation. Exercise helps in keeping the gap between depressive episodes further apart. So exercise works wonderfully for depression and it works very well for anxiety. Anxiety is also greatly helped with the help of exercise. In fact, exercise combined with mindfulness. And mindfulness is when you are very aware of the moment. You are aware of the here and the now. So when you're exercising, when you're running, you're focusing on your breathing or the noise your shoe makes when it hits the pathway. Or when you are doing weights, you're focused on your breathing or the way your muscles are contracting and expanding. When you're swimming, you're focused on the way the water moves when your body moves through it. That is mindfulness. So exercise combined with mindfulness is wonderful in dealing with anxiety. ADHD also responds very well to exercise. Neurotransmitters such as serotonin, norepinephrine and dopamine work in improving attention and improving focus, which is exactly how Ritalin and other ADHD medication works on your brain. It is not just people who suffer from mental illness who benefit from exercise. Everybody benefits from exercise. Exercise improves your sleep. It improves your memory. It sharpens your thinking. It results in higher self-esteem. It results in more energy during the day. And of course, it results in a feeling of well-being that happens not just when you exercise but continues during the day. And I recommend that everybody does at least 30 minutes of intense exercise 5 days a week. Intense exercise is anything which is higher than a brisk walk. So extremely brisk walk, jogging, swimming, playing tennis, badminton, any group sports, even dancing. All of this is exercise, and 30 minutes of exercise 5 days a week is what is recommended. I wish all of you a very good mental health with the help of exercise.